Hi, my name is S Mamakos and I'm with Ocean Cam. Here on YouTube, I've been doing a lot of videos over at SpaceX and also working on a mission to get cameras onto satellites that go up into space. It looks like the next nearest NASA mission is in 2024, and it doesn't look like it's going to have any cameras that go and look for the liquid water on some of these different moons and planets in our solar system. So the next best bet is maybe SpaceX or Blue Origin or some of these other companies that are developing rockets to go up into space. So I'm looking for several of you. I'm looking for 500 or more photographers all around the world here who would like to have their videos monetized with Ocean Cam. So if you'd like to be an employee here with Ocean Cam, send us a W-2 or W-4 form and we'll start getting the collaboration working with going into the future, because I will be creating a business out of Ocean Cam, and we will be moving forward to facilitate getting cameras on these different ships that go up into space. Satellite missions, make it a priority to have cameras on these missions, because right now it's not a priority to anybody in the United States or anywhere around the globe to have these cameras on these different missions to go look at the liquid water on these different moons and planets in the solar system. What we got here is a Starlink dish. It's pretty awesome. Just very surprised to see it here at MSX Makerspace X in Brownsville, Texas. So if you'd like to be an employee of Ocean Cam, send me an email. We'll get in touch with each other and we'll get the tax thing set up, and going forward we will be much stronger and you will get monetized. We will share maybe 50-50 or some other collaboration, some other deal on the videos that you will supply from all the space organizations around the globe, taking a video of what's going on with the space in your country, in your state, and showing it to everybody else. All right, my name is S Mamakos with Ocean Cam, where the mission is to video and to film the liquid on all the different moons and planets in our solar system, because there is a lot of liquid on all the moons and planets in our solar system, confirmed liquid. You should check out some of the other previous videos I've done here on Ocean Cam, and especially the Dr. Caitlin Aaron's talk, where she talked about the different moons and the known water on many of these different moons and planets. There is also a Wikipedia article that talks about the different thicknesses of the ice on the various moons, and there's also a NASA article on the oceans here in our solar system. So there's a lot to look at. You can join us here at Ocean Cam, and welcome. The future is now.